In this video we are trying to review top 6 best piano for beginner in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Best Choice Products 61 Key. Complete with 61 keys, 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, 50 demo songs, 32 types of keyboard percussion, and a starting tempo of 120 BPM. With an H-style keyboard stand, music stand, padded stool, and more, it makes for the perfect birthday or holiday present for any aspiring musician. One key, follow, and ensemble modes provide lessons for novice players. LCD display, light-up keys, recorder with playback, and piano note stickers help them learn to read music. Perform a recital with built-in speakers, headphones, a rhythm programmer, and music player function that help to find the perfect sound and recreate classic music pieces. Plug in and play along to songs stored on a USB, and let your creative side out as you add your own melodies or rhythm to background music. Number 2. Best Choice Products 61 Key. 3-step intelligent teaching helps novice beginners learn by mimicking with one key, follow, and ensemble modes. Draw inspiration from the 24 demo, then use the 255 timbre options to create different sounds and the 255 rhythms to accompany your melody along with 32 percussion sounds. With an H-style keyboard stand, music stand, padded stool, an LED screen, and recorder with playback. Perform a recital with built-in speakers, headphones, a rhythm programmer, and music player function that help to find the perfect sound and recreate classic music pieces. Plug in and play along to songs stored on a USB, and let your creative side out as you sing along with your microphone headset. Number 3. Rock Jam 54 Key. This Rock Jam keyboard piano features 54 full-size keys that gives this keyboard a traditional piano feel. Compact and portable, the Rock Jam 54 keyboard piano can be powered by either batteries and mains power, making it perfect for use both in the home and on the road. 2 inbuilt stereo speakers provide excellent sound quality, allowing you to monitor your practice and performances. The sheet music stand is perfect for supporting either sheet music or tablet devices, so you can read music or follow tuition as you play. Exclusive access to content within the Simply Piano application for both iOS and Android devices to assist keyboard piano players both young and old. Number 4. Donner DP20. The digital electric piano is constructed by 88 full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response. This 88-key weighted keyboard allows to adjust your desired playing style. The 88-key weighted keyboard loaded with 238 types of tone like ukulele, drum, bass, etc. Vividly presenting voices of different instruments, arousing your keen to learn music. The digital electric piano with 128-note max polyphony, players could distinguish tone clearly in chorus and reverb under various occasions. This 88-key weighted keyboard provides dual-tone mode for combining two voices together, like piano and drum, inspiring to make a new creation. Panel includes sustain pedal, triangle pedal, and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. Eludes sustain pedal, triangle pedal, and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. This digital piano features with a backlit LCD screen for clearly showing chords names and notation and adjusting wanted tones, recording mode MIDI, MP3 player and 225W amplifiers, bringing you richer and better experience of practice and performance. Number 5. Donner DDP100. Donner 88-key fully weighted action digital piano, precisely matching the finger strength changes, restore the true piano's finger strength, more stable and feel better. Test and adjust the details of timbre repeatedly, making the sound more realistic and excellent, help you develop a keen ability to distinguish sound. Input and play MP3, built-in amplifier, support external sound or headphone to meet the needs of different occasions. Streamlined design, wooden cabinet with sliding key cover to protect the key. 128 polyphony, have one pure tone sampled from real acoustic grand pianos. Guarantee the quality of your practice and performance. Number 6. Vangoa Piano Keyboard. Mini size keys. The unweighted 61 mini keys better fit kids' small finger spacing. No painful fingers after practicing. Made of environmental protection ABS, fine workmanship and soft edge design, safe and very suitable for children. The intelligent lighting system, to make the corresponding keys glow, can visualize the melody and offer game-like practice, by which starter can keep up with the rhythm of the song well. Built-in 3 teaching modes, step by step, reduce the difficulty of practice, and can help to acquire song-playing skills quickly. No dark piano anymore. Its versatile white body colors and stylish design can be easily integrated into different styles of family spaces. Like a blank canvas, it allows redesign to paint or paste favorites pattern to inspire creativity and imagination. It is specially designed for cultivating artistic beauty and musical creativity, suitable for people especially kids. Built-in 350 timbres, 350 rhythms, 30 demos, 61 percussions with vibrato, sustain, metronome, record, and playback button, you can customize the sounds and play along with your favorite songs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.